So do you have foot drop, or maybe you've had a stroke and you can't lift your foot up anymore? The foot is weak. Perhaps your doctor has sent you to a prosthetist place where they make you a device called an AFO, also known as an ankle foot orthosis. It is usually a rigid plastic device that goes inside your shoe. And oftentimes that plastic can cause blisters, it can hurt, your foot changes over time. Insurance may cover it only once every 2, 3, with Medicare 5 years. I have an alternative for you. Those AFOs can only go in a certain style of shoe. I have this brace. This is called the xtring brace. And this brace literally goes on the outside of your shoe, as you can see here. It then velcros around your calf. It is extremely comfortable. And ladies, this can be switched to certain sandals as well. So the device comes with a tab. It's a tab that gets applied to all of your shoes, and this simply clicks in and out of shoes. You will see in our next portion of this video an actual patient of mine who is using it and wearing it.